Right, following how it take the happen for Enugu Eha-Amufu in Nsukka in Enugu State. Up to now, the executive governor of Enugu State have not written any statements concerning Ifeanyi Naga on Enugu State Eha-Amufu. Nde Fulani bia nde jide nde mmanya na aga ugbu a report for Sega Hussein Ifeajoboro. Why? And under the watch of our able governor Peter Ndubuisi, mbah, His Excellency, with all due respect, in all this country Sanaga. You understand? You have not written any statement, nothing. Even the local government chairman. And this comes to the question I'm about to ask now. As the local government chairman that is guarding this community, as Oyeze Naga did this community, as a governor, Naga did the states at large, as a senator that is guiding this place, how will you feel that no one you put your call across, or one of your mother? Our mother was finding one of the victims of Fulani Sega House in Ifeajoboro. How are you going to feel as a governor, as a local government chairman that is guiding that place, as a Oyeze Naga to that community, as a senator Naga to that senatorial zone? How are you going to feel? If our mother, if our mother give birth to some of our people, you understand? You people should come to the rescue of all these people, all this in their mind. Some of them can no longer go to Igbo to cultivate because of getting the Fulani. As a local government chairman, as Oyeze on that community, under your watch, all these things are going. You understand? It's totally an eyesore. Our mothers here on the Maya Moserai. Today they shot a market day today to be protesting. Now see, all the governor, local government chairman, the governor, the senator, you understand? You people should come to the rescue of all these our women, all this in the mind. Today they shot a market day to be protesting. You can see it. You understand? How are you going to feel? You understand? If I'm mad, if I will mabru some of our people, 9 months, give birth to us. And to my direct message to all the youth of Eha-Amufu, you people should come together. You understand? Fight to defend your land that your ancestors have given to you people to cultivate and also grow it. Under all recording, under on a watch, Fulani people are pursuing away. Nabu Nugwachi will record it. I'm going to bust some of people about our village for over 10 years, 5 years. Or you could just no. Or you have watch that now. Chukweche genche, nefukoye, Iwaneche. Throw away all that things. Biano together, fight to protect our land from all these Fulani people. You understand? You got a CB that in on China, in on Kongon, in on Kafanchan, in on Lagos, in on Bain on Area, in on many places. And now you know work and now working here they men begging. And 4, 5 years, 8 years, you'll not even go to your village. All I call you them by not in our village. Walk up, put school across. Village. Come together, protect our land. I know how we protect our own. But this thing during our own community. Yeah? What do you go say? The executive governor of Enugu State, His Excellency Peter Ndubuisi, mbah, His Excellency, with all due respect, come to the rescue of Eha-Amufu people. The mine at Afona Kanda. Peace and love.